Hello YouTubers, welcome back. This is the part 3 of the cloning of the SIM2K-250. In the previous videos, we've shown how we soldered using the boot approach to read the data and store them both for the donor and the original model. So as you see here, this soldering is for reading the data for the ECM part. So once we've saved those, we will now go to write the data. Okay, so here we go. We click on write in internal flash. Then we go to look for the original file. That's the ECM portion. So we are looking for the file that says origin, and that should be the internal flash. So let's scroll down and okay, so I'll take the 17. Okay, and then hit on OK. Then okay, so this also allows us to run a checksum to make sure that the data is valid, and once the verification is done, it then writes the data. So this I had to speed it up about 12 times. So hopefully that should take us a shorter time for this portion to end. This contains about 18 lines. So the higher it goes, the longer it takes. We are now on the 15, and we have roughly about 3 more to go. And this should be the last one for the internal flash, and that has gone through successfully, so it has written it. Now we go for the internal EEPROM. We load external data, and we look for where that one is, and I believe that should be number 6. Okay, so go ahead and hit on OK, and OK. This doesn't have the checksum portion, so no problem. We click on yes to proceed. And that has like about 2 lines. And the second line is done. All right, and that is also written successfully. So we're done with the whole process, and we can now click on disconnect, click on yes, and we can disconnect the wire and connect the ones for the TCM. So we are now going to write the TCM portion. So we connect again after the wires were soldered back on the PCB, and we click on connect and click on OK. Once the connection is successful, we can go to write internal flash, and we will look and select the portion that we've saved, which should be original uh, TR flash, and hit on OK, and also OK. So this will also do the checksum verification, and once the verification is complete, it then writes the correct data into the TCM internal flash portion. And this is about 14 lines or pages, and I had to also speed it up. I had to speed it up. So we are now on the 11th. The 13th. And last but not the least, the 14th. And the writing has been successful. So we go for the next one, write internal EEPROM. This one too doesn't have no checksum verification. Then hit on OK and OK. Yes. And so far, so good. Everything has been written. We've written the TCM portion of it, and also we did the ECM portion earlier. So that means our cloning is done here for the SIM2K-250. So we can now disconnect all the wires, and after taking that, we will then clean up the solder that we've added to the board just to clean things up, and from there we can cover up the lid, and it should be ready to put back into the vehicles. Well, I hope this video has been helpful. Have a nice day, and if you have any questions or you need this kind of services, please don't hesitate to reach out. This is Bisa Auto Tune. Thank you once more, and enjoy your time.